Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 86, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. And where are we today? We are in the graphics math library. What is this? This is B-spline. Okay, well, I can explain this. So, what a B-spline is, let's see. There it is. Okay. So, in this example, we click the left mouse button to place control points. We can do up to 64 control points, and then we draw open and closed B-spline, or no, two closed B-splines. Well, okay, first of all, let's show you what a B-spline is. So if I make a set of points, then those are B-splines, third order and second order. So you have an array of points, three-dimensional. I use integer arithmetic, and then you either call second order or third order B-splines. And the true means closed. If you say false, then you get open B-splines. Okay, so this is a third order B-spline. This is not a graphics routine. This is a generic routine with a callback that you plot points. You give it. Let's suppose you wanted to make somebody move in a B-spline. For example, I think it's called mountain. Okay, so in this example, we don't want to draw a B-spline. We want to move. We want to move in a B-spline. So what we do is we have a generic routine that either plots points, or in this case it sets X and Y, so that when I'm moving in a B-spline right here. This is moving in a B-spline. So I pass it, instead of a plot pixel, I pass it quote unquote plot man, and what that does is it animates and sleeps. So the files, this routine is in the graphics directory under math. Some of the other routines you can make a line, like if you wanted to move in a line or draw a line, or you can make let's see, we have transformation stuff, and then towards the bottom we have the Bezier and B-spline. So the B-splines are made of Beziers, are they not? Yes, they are. So so a B-spline, you plot control points, and then it calls Bezier to connect them. Okay, so basically we use, let me see if I remember this correctly, and I will explain it. Well, first of all, a Bezier is, a B-spline is a combination of Bezier curves. Beziers are, let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to make a, so if you have a point here, 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 and here, let's say. Now the general idea is I think it finds one of these routines, I don't remember what order, but it finds the midpoints, and then it makes the derivative 0, or the, okay, if you want a smooth curve, you make the derivative 0. Oh, you know what I have? Let's go ahead and draw B-spline. Okay, so I'm making the points. Then it makes a smooth curve. What it does is it's kind of like, okay. So how do I put this? Let's suppose you have x1, x2, and t. Let's say this is 3 and 9. Then for t equals 0, t less than 1, t plus equals 0.01 t. So I don't know if this is a good explanation, but the general idea of a B-spline is you take like x2 minus x1, that's the distance, and one of these you plus, no, that's not correct. You take x1 times, you want 1.0 minus t plus x2 times t. Okay, so the general idea is you take, this is a way to interpolate. Let's see if, okay, well, you can see it goes from 3 to 9. From 3 to 9. Okay, so this is just a fast way to interpolate. You notice how I wrote the formula as a, well anyway, now what if you have 3 points? Let's say we want to go back to x3 equals 6. Now the idea is you take this one is 1 times 1, or this, you take that one times that, this one times that, and this one is t times t. So we take well anyway, so this starts at 3, goes towards 4, wait, 5, Oh, that's not what I wanted. Well, I guess. Well, anyway, that's how um, a Bezier curve works. You take 1.0 squared, 1.0 minus t squared, t 1.0 minus t, and then t times t. So anyway, that's, don't know if that's a good explanation.